In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a task management system in Airtable. We'll start from scratch, and by the end, you'll have a practical workspace you can tailor to your team's needs. Begin by heading to Airtable in your browser. On the left side of the homepage, look for templates and apps. This is the fastest way to get a working system without reinventing the wheel. In the template gallery, use the search bar if you like. It helps narrow results and saves time when you know the general workflow you want. For this walkthrough, pick project management as the starting point. Open it to preview what's included. Typically, you'll see tables for projects, tasks, and people, along with sample views that show tasks by status or due date. When you're ready, select. Try this template. Airtable will spin up a new base in your workspace that you can personalize. Give it a clear name so everyone recognizes it at a glance. Once the base opens, go to Data. This is where your tables, fields, and views live. Take a moment to scan the structure. A tasks table will usually have fields like name, assignee, status, priority, due date, and notes. Make the fields match your process by adjusting options such as status values or priority levels. If you track sprints, add a single select for sprint. If you care about effort, keep an estimate field. Use filters and sorting to create views like My Open Tasks or Due This Week so teammates can focus quickly. Next, open automations. This area lets you reduce busy work. You can enable or create routines like setting a completion date when a task moves to done, posting a message to your team's tool when a high priority task is created, or sending a reminder the day before a task is due. Start with one or two essentials, test them on sample records, and only then roll them out widely. Head over to Interfaces. Interfaces turn your data into clean, role-based pages. Many templates include a starter interface. Use it to give managers a progress overview and assignees a simple "What's on my plate" list. Keep layouts minimal and emphasize the fields people update most often. Finally, open forms. Forms are ideal for intake. Think bug reports, feature requests, or internal task submissions. Share the form link with your team, keep only the fields you actually need, and route responses straight into the tasks table for triage. That's it. You now have a task management system in Airtable that's ready to use and easy to grow as your workflow evolves.